I'm Andy Langfeld.
I'm Terry Burke.
I'm Jason Weddingfeld, and this is my son Declan. He's 9 years old.
Hi.
I'm Bill Webster.
My name is Will Webster. I'm the apprentice of Tim.
I'm thrilled and I'm so pumped that I even got goosebumps. You can see them.
Everybody's tabletops are completely unique, completely just more than I expected.
We chose to do a coffee table with a diamond shape in the middle and 2 copper panels on the outside. So it's going to have a leather diamond in the center that we're going to actually tan the leather.
Looking forward to showing you guys how it's done and showing these guys how to stain some leather.
That's awesome.
Isn't it?
What would you like to tell them?
Andy, he brought his barn wood from Colorado.
There's a barn that's over 100 years old that collapsed this winter. And I wanted to bring some of that wood up here, and we're making a beautiful table, and I can't wait to see the end result.
You can't paint that wood.
We're building and making some pretty amazing exotic furniture out of some extraordinary materials.
Tim developed called crinkle copper, taking sheets of copper and crinkling them up.
You know, like I want the crinkle to be, I don't want this area real crinkled and the rest of it not.
Molding them to another panel. We've got some turquoise that Will and I brought up here from his grandfather.
That's turned out really cool, and Andy is using turquoise from my grandfather.
Everybody in the class is sharing ideas and really working together. Everybody's just willing to jump in and help and share.
Terry's awesome.
And I knew and met Tim, so I followed his success on the Ellen DeGeneres show.
He's 81 years old and he's out here doing this kind of gorgeous work. So I want to just shake your hand, sir. Say thank you.
I learned a lot. The class here has been very good because the structure of the base is a new one for me, and some of the joining techniques he's using are new. And so that was certainly a challenge for me.
Tim's made it super comfortable, taught me all the tips and tricks, and there's everybody in the class is sharing ideas and really working together.
We're real happy to be here. We're having a lot of fun.
That's what I love, so now I'm getting to share that with him.
Like I said, it's just been an amazing experience. I would highly recommend this to anyone to come out here, spend some time in beautiful Cornville, Arizona, and learn how to make something cool.
This is what we've made for you, Alexis.
Oh my
What do you think?
It's phenomenal.
And then I'm going to get to spend the next couple of months remembering all of the fun that I had during this weekend class. So, what an experience. Well done.